So the girls were gagged that this was a synthetic unit, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get this same exact look. Now, I have a pixie cut, so the caps never fit my head right. So right here, I'm just showing you guys the most important step. This is going to be a unit that I installed behind the hairline, but you want to make sure that the cap fits your head perfectly. This will make sure that it is snug and it's literally giving sew-in. Now, I'm going to protect this little canvas head of mine with the plastic bag, and you guys can see the stitching that I made by adjusting my cap. Now, let's get to the star of the show, these Vivace bundles and closure. Now, I used a 16-inch closure and three 24-inch bundles. And guys, let me just tell you, I am so impressed with the synthetic fibers that are on the market now. These are not the syntheticas of yesteryear. It was given human hair bundles. So I'm going to be doing a quick wig, which is essentially me not sewing because I'm tired. And I'm going to start by using that first track. These are all 24 inches again. And I'm going to have that one going forward. I think I did about 1 or 2 tracks like that. And then I'm going to start by just stacking my tracks straight up the middle. And you guys will see exactly why I'm doing this in a future clip. So what I want is for this wig to have a lot of volume. So instead of having my tracks laid the traditional way, I'm going to have them go upside down. And this is going to create the volume that I need to give me that Janet Jackson 90s Vixen vibe. We don't want a flat curly wig because what we end up doing is layering it to death. So then we lose all of the length. I want the volume at the roots, and that's how I'm going to get this with the synthetic hair because we won't be wetting this or adding in a product. And I'm going to use a fixing or holding spray, whatever you use, to basically just lock in that glue. So again, I stack those middle tracks, and then on the sides, I'm going to have those tracks going upside down. Then I'm just going to close it off by having one track going downwards, just like you see in this clip, and spray that bad boy down. I repeated that on both sides, and look at the volume. I mean, this doesn't even really need to be cut too much. So this is the trick, the major hack. If you guys see this repeated, just know TT taught you first. Okay. Now, this is not a new trick. It's just something that I used to do back in the day with my curly units, especially when we were low on hair. Now, I did layer one side because I did want this to kind of be like a flip over style wig. I am going to cut the band off the beginning of the closure, but I'm going to leave the brown cap intact because as you guys can see, it looks flawless. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I, again, am obsessed, guys. Just look at the movement, look at the body, look at the sheen. I did get this in a 1B. I do think that also helps with it looking supernatural, but please let me know if you guys have any other requests, if there's any other hair that you want me to work with. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.